because I haven't seen this thing on YouTube right now. Hello guys, hope you're doing well today. It has been a while that I'm doing such a video on my YouTube channel, this personal development video, but there has been some reasons. Well, recently some people have asked me, Alex, how have you done this really fast? How did you get like to 4,000-ish, like close to 5,000 people on your Facebook account in this fast way, in this fast time? Well, there's an actual trick behind it. There are actually 3 steps, which I want to introduce right here and right now. So the first step, if you're on Facebook, and by the way, why I want to actually introduce it to you, because I haven't seen this thing on YouTube right now, and maybe not in this step, but many people don't share it with you because it might be really a ninja trick, but I'm really willing to share with you because I believe sharing is caring, and because I want to care of you guys, I want to really help you to get your audience on Facebook. And actually Facebook is one of the #1 searching tools, because you can search for new groups, you can search for new people on Facebook. It's one of the searching tools that we have. And other searching tools that we have is Google, and of course Amazon is also a searching tool. You're searching for goods, and also YouTube is also a searching tool. It becomes the #2 searching tool in the world, and actually Amazon is the 3rd one and Facebook the 4th one. So Facebook is one of the important sources you can generate income, especially with Facebook ads if you target your audience really particularly. So, and the thing is how to get the kind of audience and how to get this exposure on Facebook. The #1 is to get people, because the more people you have on Facebook, you have like this 5,000 is limited, but the more friends you have, the more people are likely to approach. And I will also tell you the number, what is the magic number to have people. So without further ado, 3 steps. 3 steps I want to share with you right here, right now. So the first step. The first step you want to do is, if you don't have a Facebook account, make a Facebook account. But what I want to do is to join a group. Join a mastermind group if you're into personal development. There are several groups which don't require you a fee, but I recommend you, if you want to have more impact, join a payable master group. Yes, where you have to pay a monthly fee to be just in the mastermind group. Because there's a difference between a mastermind group which you have to pay and which not to pay. Are also many people who want to pitch you, and you don't want to ruin this atmosphere of encouraging each other. So be in a mastermind group where are people who are encouraging you and actually become out of the mastermind group coaches. Those people you have to approach and become friends with them. Once you got several friends of them, like people who have, I think, at least 1K people in a friend list, at least. I actually use people who have 4K, not 5K, but close to 5K, 4K, 3K. And what I did is actually, it's really ninja trick, and somewhere we might say it like, okay, it's a really bad thing what you can do, but it's not bad thing because you can do it. And if people don't like to have it, okay. But if you especially want to go to coaching, and you have a coach as a friend, so what you want to do is to go on his friend list and add other people, because these people who are friends of a coach, especially in your, or of other people in your niche who has already the authority of 4,000, 3,000 people, are actually more receptible towards you, because I think you do the same thing, especially if you have your Facebook page If you have written things like I'm a coach or I doing things, whatever your niche might be. So what you do is go for pick, like I picked, because I had 1000 before, I picked 3 or 4 of them. What I did is just in your free time, just add all the people from the friend list, just add them, just do like 500 today. By doing so, maybe 100 will receive it, but because you're doing it from a coach and not from like several Facebook groups, you are more likely to get these people. And like I also do it from several groups and people just don't respond, and because they don't know you. But because I see, okay, you have a friend like a coach and I have a really nice relationship to this coach, to this particular person, then you will say, okay, they will say, okay, cool. They are more likely to receive you as a friend. So if you're at like 500 today, then like 300 will receive, and your goal is to go for 3000. I think within 1 month it's more than possible to go for 3000. So this is actually the second step. You add this friend and the second step is you go through 3000. Once you reach the 3000, watch what will happen. In my case, what will happen? People are approaching you from all over the world. And for my case, it was like 600 people in one day. Just imagine it. You have reached out to 500 people throughout like several weeks and get to 3000. And now you have turned the table. Now 300 people, around 300, like 600 people. So 100 more than you have reached out every single day are likely to go towards you and ask you to become your friend. Now here you can of course accept it to raise your friend list to 5,000 to have gain even more authority within Facebook, or raise it like to, yeah, I think 4,000 is really decent, because from then on I want you to go to your Facebook groups which you have your target audience and target them, and because they see you have like 4,000 friends on Facebook, they're also more likely to accept you. So these are the 3 things I have to introduce you. Again, the first thing is, before I wrap it up, the first thing is you go on Facebook, especially to mastermind group, maybe a payable where you pay like $200 or something like that. It depends what your niche is. According to your niche, you pay the mastermind group. You see some members, not necessarily the mastermind itself, but some members who have really a large following, who are into your niche, and you pick them, and what you do is you are adding the friends of them. Yes, who will have like 3,000, 4,000 followings. You just really add the friends of them from the friend list. Pick not just one, just maybe 2, 3, 4. Depends how many this kind of large members there are in the master group. In my case, I pick like 4 and just enlarge it to 3,000 people. Once you get the 3,000 people, everything will happen automatically. People are likely to go towards you and just see what happens, and then you can accept, and then you can filter people more. And after this, once you got the authority, go to this to your Facebook group pages which are more into niche, which you want also to, and answer the questions which the people have, and then you can really reach out to those people and offer them your services. I hope you got some value from it. If so, smash the like button. I think I will do more of those videos in the future rather than gaming, because I hope and I believe that such videos are more helpful than gaming. I hope you got an awesome day, and as always, do not lie to yourself and pursue your passion. now.
Hey, how's it going? I hope you like my content. If so, hit the like button. And if you really like this content, make sure to share it with your friends and your beloved ones. I upload every day, so make sure that you hit the notification bell and the subscribe button in order to see more of these videos in the future. I wish you an awesome day, and as always, do not lie to yourself and pursue your passion now.